Hi everyone, welcome back in today's video. So in this tutorial we shall be discussing how to use the VDRL test. So in this video we shall be discussing how to check syphilis or how to use the VDRL test, syphilis rapid diagnosis test. So before you start the procedure, what you do first, you introduce yourself to the patient, you explain the importance of doing that procedure to the patient, you gain consent for you to continue the procedure. So what you do, you get your VDRL test kit, you open it first. So each bag contains a blood dropper, so we shall be using the blood dropper to collect symbol of blood on the finger brick. Okay, we also have the syphilis buffer solution. So this is the syphilis buffer solution. This is the syphilis buffer solution. So we also have an alcohol swab. So we shall be using the alcohol swab to clean the finger before we do the finger brick. So we shall be using alcohol swab to clean the finger before we do the finger brick. Okay, we also have a lancet, so we use the lancet to do the finger brick for us to get the symbol of blood. Okay, we also have the syphilis rapid diagnosis test, syphilis antigen test. Okay, now let us proceed. First, what you do, you clean the finger. You clean the finger with an alcohol swabs. So you clean the finger with an alcohol swabs first. So you dry it gently. Then what you do, you get your lancet, then you do the finger brick. You get your lancet and you do the finger brick. Okay, you do the finger brick first. So you wipe off the first drop of blood. Then what you do, you squeeze the hand for you to get the symbol of blood or the drop of blood. What you do, you get your blood dropper. So you get your blood dropper for you to collect the blood. So you get your blood dropper. Okay, so you squeeze the hand gently like this. So you get the symbol of blood. Then you open your syphilis antigen test. So you open your syphilis antigen test. You get your syphilis antigen test. You place it on the surface. So you get the drop of blood and you pour it into the buffer window. So you pour the drop of blood into the buffer window. So this is what you do. You drop the symbol of blood into the buffer window. Then what you do, you get your buffer. So you get your buffer. And you pour 3 drops. You pour 3 drops into the buffer window. So you drop 3 drops. So you pour 3 drops into the buffer window. So you wait the result after 20 minutes. So don't read the result before 20 minutes and not longer than 20 minutes. So you will wait your result after 20 minutes. So we shall be waiting our result after 20 minutes. If you see 2 control line, that will indicate a positive result, and if you see 1 control line, that will indicate a negative result. But if you see your control line on this side, that will be an invalid result because you have done the procedure wrongly, or maybe the syphilis antigen test has expired date. So we shall be waiting our result after 20 minutes around there. So let us see now, let us read the results now. For example, you see 1 control line, so this indicates a negative result. So our result became 1 control line, so this is a negative result. If you see 2 control line, that will be a positive result. And if you see your control line on this side, that will be an invalid result. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.